you going, boo-boo? Where you going?
Two of them, or just anybody?
Okay, I love you. Mwah. I love you. Did you change your mind? Want some more? Ow, that's my finger, you little meanie. Bit me. How could you bite your mummy? Is it yummy? Yum, yum, yummy. Yummy. Is it yummy? Is it yummy, yummy for my tummy?
A friend of mine told me this story about a girl that she met from Sweden who stayed with her for a while. The girl was
Don't waste it, baby. Don't waste it.
And we'll call her Jane. Jane was driving to her mother's house one evening.
Here,
She lived far
eat
away
it.
from the city in a heavily forested area.
Enjoy the
There wasn't any
blueberries.
streetlights on this road, and not a lot of houses. The few houses that were built were back in the forest and had long winding driveways so you couldn't see them from the road. As she was driving, something up ahead on the